Okay, for my hi-fi rack, I have got these spikes, cones for the bottom plate. That will be so they will be sitting on the floor, and then you have the bottom plate here. There's 76 millimeters wide and 43 millimeters high when the adjustment is put into the bottom space. There's also a hole through here, so when everything is mounted and with a high weight on, you can still be able to adjust something. You shouldn't adjust too much, in my opinion. I try to avoid it. They are, as I said, it's for B&V 800 series spikes, and the VV 800 series are very heavy speakers, so I have no doubt that I'll be able to have about 200 kilos on these 6 spikes. Maybe I'll put 2 on for something extra, but with equipment, I guess I'll have around 200 kilos distributed on these 6 spikes. So the pressure here will be tremendous. So as I showed you yesterday, this is just the bottom plate, how it's gonna look. So and here I carved out, I didn't have that yesterday. So that's where there's gonna be space for my radiator. So, and again, the bottom view. I don't know if I'm gonna put this there, or I'm gonna put this there, and I'm gonna put an extra one here to have the load distributed evenly for this area and for this area. But it doesn't matter that much. This is just how it's supposed to look. This is my drawing of it. So okay, but these are the base plates.